In an era where we crave instant everything, quick commerce steps in to satisfy our desires. Quick commerce, or Q-commerce, is reshaping online shopping by delivering products in record time. When you order, your items can arrive in minutes, revolutionizing the shopping experience entirely. Imagine a world where your dinner or groceries could arrive in just a fraction of the time. The demand for immediate delivery has driven the rise of Q-commerce, changing our consumer habits. This fast-paced delivery model began with pioneers like Amazon, who set new standards for speed. However, smaller tech-driven companies have accelerated this trend beyond what anyone anticipated. The focus on instant delivery has led to an increase in impulse buying. Customers act fast. Technology advances have enabled local warehouses, called dark stores, to keep products ready for dispatch. This ultra-fast service is about satisfying immediate needs, fulfilling consumer cravings like never before. In quick commerce, customers enjoy a curated selection of essential items available at lightning speed. The right products are stocked at these dark stores, ensuring that urgent needs are met promptly. Behind Q-commerce is an intricate web of logistics and real-time tracking that keeps everything in sync. Speedy deliveries aren't just a luxury, they have become an expectation for today's consumers. Real-time tracking enhances transparency, while AI-driven systems optimize product availability and predict demand. Urban locations thrive under Q-commerce, where local fulfillment centers make rapid delivery feasible. As this market grows, consumer behavior shifts, demanding same-hour delivery for an array of products. Traditional retailers must adapt or risk being left behind in this fast-paced landscape of e-commerce. Companies like Amazon have responded by integrating Q-commerce services to stay competitive. For some businesses, this shift demands a heavy investment in logistics and technology for success. However, the competitive edge gained from fast delivery can significantly boost customer loyalty and sales. Despite its perks, quick commerce isn't without challenges. High operational costs can eat into profits. The very nature of speed poses sustainability concerns, especially with increased emissions from deliveries. Regulatory hurdles also await as governments seek to ensure fair competition and consumer protection. Businesses that wish to thrive in quick commerce must craft a strategy that balances speed and reliability. For newcomers, choosing the right locations is crucial, focusing on densely populated areas with high demand. Integrating local fulfillment centers is a game changer for established businesses transitioning to Q-commerce. While challenges exist, the potential of quick commerce remains tremendous, paving the way for innovation. Advancements in AI and automation will continue to shape the future of Q-commerce, enabling finer efficiencies. As consumers become more conscious of sustainability, eco-friendly practices must be a priority for Q-commerce. The future promises seamless integration between online and offline retail, enhancing the shopping experience. Quick commerce is not just a trend, it's the future of e-commerce, embracing speed while driving innovation.